Well, hi, this is Stephen from Owner Disown. So this is my first live stream, so I'm going to be covering the new RTX 2080 here, the reference edition, and I'm going to be comparing it against some, the reference edition 1080 Ti and other videos. So let's have a look at those. So yeah, hi, this is Stephen from Owner Disown. This is my first live stream, so forgive me if it sucks and if it doesn't work particularly well. But what I wanted to do in these live streams is perhaps do some unboxings, so you can perhaps ask me things that's going on and that type of thing. I'm going to try and open up my super chat app. Yep, it's working. That's good. Let's say hi. Oops, I'm very good at typing here. There you go. So basically, yeah, I bought this RTX 2080. I was a little bit on the fence about getting it because I do have a 1080 Ti, and but I wanted to test it and see how it performs in an eGPU. So I plan to actually put it in. I plan to put it in this Aero's gaming box here. Now the problem with this, it's only got a one, I think it's a 6-pin connector. It might be just one 8-pin connector, but I need to hook up my desktop power supply to this to help power it. But that'll be interesting to test and see how that works. And I also want to put it in the Alienware amplifier here and hook that up. Now this is it's got plenty of connectors in there. It's got two 8-pin connectors, so I'll hook that up to my Alienware laptop and we'll test that as well. And I also want to put it in my desktop. Now that has a Ryzen 7 1700X, and most of the reviews concentrate on just putting it on like an Intel 8700K, so I want to see how it works on that Ryzen, and I'm sure that'll be quite of interest. So let's take a look and see what this is like. Now this costs about $800 from Best Buy. It's the Founders Edition. Carefully wrapped up here. It does look pretty nice though. So in comparison to the 1080 Ti, it's about the same length, but it's got two fans. So this is it's going to be very interesting. Of course, it's factory overclocked, so it should be pretty nice. It's got a fair bit of heft to it, but I do like it. And in fact, let's see if we can get a bit of a closer look in case the camera can pick it up there. It's got a nice back plate. And you can see the big heat sinks here, the full length there, so that's pretty sweet. So that'll be quite nice. So yeah, I will be looking forward to doing those tests. In addition, what else have I got coming up? I've got of course, I want to do the review on the Alienware 15R3. I've had it for freaking ages, and just haven't had a chance to review it yet. But I've got that. It's an OLED, and of course, I'll be putting against the amplifier here, but I will be testing that against the all the rest of the GTX 1060 notebooks that I've done. And then actually Alienware says they're not going to be updating that, so I think as soon as those supplies run out, it's probably it. It's going to be a done deal. So if you want to get one of those, you probably should jump on it now. I also have the Asus GL504 GM, the ROG Strix 2 laptop coming in. A lot of people wanted to see that, so I've got that coming in. That should be here in about probably about 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. I've just ordered it today, and I've got the Aero 15X coming in, and I do have a special promotion on that with $150 off when that comes in, so that'll be an interesting one to test. But of course, whatever anybody else wants, I will do. So let's have a look what people. Oh, Bob, good to see you. Hopefully it's working okay. Thank you, Sean. I appreciate that. So basically, that's it in a nutshell. My streaming, I want to do some streaming, some games as well, and I did actually initially bought this. Don't know if you guys know about it. It's a Blackmagic Ultra Studio mini recorder, but seemingly it's only works on Macs, so that didn't do me any good. So I do have an Elgato USB thing to put in there, and I do plan to have a camera, of course, facing me, my Panasonic camera, and an overhead shot, so multiple different cameras of footage. But let me know anything extra you want me to do. I do plan to do it on the unboxings, and I'm looking forward to testing out this RTX 2080, and it's in the external GPU setup, and that should be good. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye.